This isn't just a science experiment. It's a verifiable quantum speedup that could redefine digital security. Google's Willow chip ran an algorithm 13,000 times faster than the world's best supercomputers, achieving the first experimentally confirmed quantum advantage. While experts say the threat to Bitcoin's elliptic curve encryption is still distant, this verifiable leap brings the quantum threat timeline into sharper focus for crypto. A major player in decentralized finance just announced a staggering $10 billion in trading volume over the past year. This impressive milestone highlights Say Network's growing influence and user confidence in the DeFi space. However, the SEI coin is now approaching critical support zones, with analysts keenly watching for potential trend reversal and recovery. Aave now dominates Ethereum lending with a staggering $25 billion in outstanding loans, signaling a major shift in decentralized finance. This DeFi giant commands 82% of the network's debt, while the overall stablecoin lending market has surged by $670 billion in 5 years, driven by USDC and USDT. Even Visa is now exploring blockchain strategies, anticipating tokenized traditional assets and new credit access for subprime borrowers, proving this isn't just a niche. Despite a crypto market downturn, one platform is minting money, yet its own token can't catch a break. Solana's Pump.fun generates $1.3 million daily, capturing 95% of meme coin launches, as $8 million shifts from BSC to Solana. However, despite this platform's success and smart money increasing Pump holdings, the Pump token itself remains firmly bearish. Imagine building cross-chain applications with USDC, requiring just a single line of code. Circle's new bridge kit, powered by CCTPv2, dramatically simplifies the integration of USDC transfers across various blockchains for developers. This comprehensive toolkit provides intuitive SDK methods, monetization tools, and tutorials designed to accelerate on-chain money movement and multi-chain app development. Over $3 billion in Bitcoin has quietly moved into BlackRock's ETFs, not through typical sales, but a game-changing in-kind conversion method. This allows major holders to swap their crypto for ETF shares without triggering a taxable event, integrating digital assets into traditional finance for better management. While BlackRock also manages significant BTC ETH transfers to Coinbase Prime, these in-kind shifts highlight a growing institutional embrace of crypto within established financial systems. If you're holding crypto, you need to hear this. North Korean hackers have found a terrifying new way to steal your funds. They're embedding a new malware, ether hiding, directly into Ethereum and BNB smart chain contracts. This bypasses traditional defenses because once deployed, smart contracts are immutable, making these attacks incredibly hard to stop. A major crypto alliance is facing a trust crisis, with a $250,000 bounty now offered for critical information. Fetch.ai CEO, Humayun Sheikh, alleges Ocean Protocol misused 286 million FET tokens, valued at over $80 million, before their ASI merger. On-chain data shows 270 million FET moved to exchanges like Binance, sparking legal threats and raising questions about multi-signature wallet governance. A former lead developer for Ethereum's Geth client has dropped a bombshell, alleging that the Ethereum Foundation's decision-making is heavily centralized. Peter Szilagyi claims a small core of 5 to 10 actors and VC firms, influenced by Vitalik Buterin's circle, control the ecosystem's direction and funding. He warns this creates perverse incentives and risks protocol capture, raising serious questions about the network's integrity. Despite Bitcoin dipping below $108,000, SpaceX's recent $268 million transfer isn't the sell-off everyone's speculating about. On-chain data reveals this $268 million move, after 3 months of dormancy, is likely an internal wallet reorganization, not a market sale. This strategic rebalancing, by institutional holders like SpaceX, now holding around 5,790 BTC, reflects a broader trend in corporate crypto treasury management. A major shift is underway. Payment giant Visa now highlights Ripple's RLUSD alongside market leaders USDC and USDT. Their report, Stablecoins Beyond Payments, reveals over $670 billion in on-chain stablecoin loans in 5 years, signaling a new era for institutional credit. RLUSD, designed for institutions and regulation-ready, is now seen as critical global credit infrastructure, moving beyond just payments. Its move by Tether, a company championing individual financial freedom, raises serious questions about centralized control in the crypto world. Israel requested Tether to freeze 187 wallets, allegedly tied to the Iranian Revolutionary Guards, involving billions in USDT. This incident highlights how blockchain's transparency, while enabling monitoring, can also undermine economic freedom, much like traditional finance.